that's not rolling, right? I better not be rolling. Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on Fix It, Fax It. My name is Fix It, and I got a new system for Christmas, so, get in here. For the new panel, we have a Miracom made in Canada, FA 1025T, made in Canada. This is a 5-zone panel, but zone 1 doesn't work because of a permanent ground fault, which it came with. And then for our panel pole, we have a Simplex 425120. That's great. And then for the old panel pole, we have a Cybertronics something, and that back box, which is empty now, there's nothing on there. Oh, here we have a Notifier BT12 LX L. And then over here, we have a EST. Wait, what's the model? EST
278 something, I think.
Something. It's a 278 something, I think.
We think.
Yeah. So let's start the test. Over with this BT12 X. Oh yeah, Notifier bell, Edwards bell 6-inch. You don't need to. I'm so frustrated. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Coded to code 3 by the panel. There we go. There we go. That's zone 3. And then we will re-alarm it with the panel pole over here. And we're going to re-alarm it and reset it with my Miracom key. So 3, 2, 1. Come on. He's working this pole. Oh my gosh. Hands off me! So sometimes it doesn't silence immediately. It's because it hasn't finished its coding. So next we'll pull this EST signal, whatever it's called, and we'll walk around the outside. So we can pull this now. Oh, I feel stupid. That zone is already activated. What the heck am I thinking? I feel very stupid. Hold up. Let me reset this panel. 1 second. Okay, now we are. I don't feel like pulling this, so we're just gonna do a switch test. It's very quiet out here. Shut up! Okay, there's noise. From this window, we can slightly hear it. And we'll go back in. Ugh, dryer smell. Everybody hates that. Then we'll go back in through this really wet area. Oh, come here.
My socks.
Your socks, yeah, my socks too. Ugh. I know I have a beautiful face. I'm stunning. Whee! Let's silence this! Ah! Cool, silence immediately for this whole test. Oh, flatline, that's not good. We'll try to get this smoke detector to work. I'm gonna drown you in smoke tester. That was way too much.
And it's gonna reactivate.
There we go.
If it even activates.
Oh, it'll activate. It just might take. Oh, it activated. I don't know if you can see the light, but it's activated. So it's got to finish its coding loop, and that's why it's not it's silencing. That's why it's not silencing. It'll silence in like 20 seconds. You guys like my new front door key? It's very shiny. Yeah, that was $7. Yeah, what do I do? Silence. There it goes. Just needed the extra tap. Okay. So it's silenced. Where's my key? Okay. That zone is turned off. So I'll just do a key activate with the simplex. Why is this? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Why? Fire alarm gods, please turn these alarms off. Oh, I missed. Those are very. Okay.
There we go.
It worked. How is the panel plugged in?
Wait.
This whole time it's been unplugged.
That's why I'm telling you.
Oh my gosh, guys, this whole time this panel hasn't been plugged in.
But there's no battery fault.
It's the battery fault is when there's no batteries.
Okay.
Look, if I and the smoke detector re-alarm. Okay, now I have AC. Look, if I unplug this.
See, now there's no more common.
Look, if I unplug this, battery fault turns on.
Oh my god. So that's why there was a common trouble that whole time.
Okay, is that?
Oh no, there's no common.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. That detector is so gonna reactivate. Key throw. Yep, there goes that detector. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And face on the beautiful guy. If you guys enjoyed, subscribe, leave a like, and click that bell for more videos. I can do backflip watches.